guys, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today and it's raining, so I'm going to be making some warming tea with Bronchia Calm. So I'm choosing Fireside Vanilla Spice from Celestial Seasonings for my tea. It's decaffeinated, and going to add some Bronchia Calm into it. First, I'm just boiling the water and then pouring it over the tea. And then I'm going to add about a tablespoon-ish of Bronchia Calm. I'm just kind of eyeballing it because I know how much I want to put in there. Then I'm going to add some honey. Bronchia Calm is very warming and it's very soothing on the throat, especially when you're not feeling the greatest. I'm adding in some almond milk. I prefer this in my tea to dairy, but of course, if you prefer dairy milk, you can use that. I'm just going to stir it in. And then I'm going to add a little bit of ground cinnamon on the top, just for some warmth. That's how you make a warming tea with Bronchia Calm. It really helps your throat when it's feeling a bit scratchy like mine is right now. Have a great day, y'all. Stay dry in this weather.